Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Martin. Martin's been trading with us from the 17th of May up until the present date of review, 14th of June 2021. This is the journey of Martin. As we can see, Martin's been trading with us from the time just specified. We can see Martin's had a daily gain of 0.33%, a monthly gain of 9.71%, and a drawdown of 4.77%, and managing an account of $30,000. As we can see, Martin's had a drawdown of 6.66%, a drawdown of 4.67% in the positive territory. That's the important thing. Although Martin's on a drawdown, he's still in a drawdown on positive territory, and as you can see, he's preserving the balance because he's managing $30,000. So looking at the account, Martin's only traded 54 times, and look at his percentage gain. As we can see, Martin's won 25 out of 54, which represents 46%, and lost 29 out of 54, which represents 54%. So Martin is actually a below average trader, and still managed to achieve 10%. So this is down to good money management, and more importantly, down to a solid trading plan and trading specific pairs with an edge. So looking at Martin's review, monthly analytics, 9.41% in the month of May and 0.27% in June. So this is a very good attempt. Looking at the history of trades, you can see he's traded quite a few pairs with the stop losses in place, which is very good discipline. Sometimes the stop losses have been hit, which is great, but you haven't really got a take profit exit level. So I recommend you focus on having a take profit exit level. That will always help you be in the money and help you moving forward. And as you can see as well, we can see you've had consistent gains of 45 pips, 42 pips, 42 pips, 74, 67. So these are very great attempts at doing what you're doing to help you achieve these goals. So as much as you've had your consistent gains, you've had your consistent losses, but overall there's a good balance. So looking at a summary of all the trades you've taken, we can see all of them here, from the Australian New Zealand dollar down to the pound US dollar. Your best pairs to date are the Euro AUD, Euro US dollar, and we can see the last one, pound CAD. So if you stick to all these pairs that have given you the consistent gains, you will always maintain a steady rate of growth and hit the higher levels of the FTP program. So you're on 30,000, so you go to 60, 120, 240, and you're managing 500,000 US dollars. So this is a very great attempt, and you can definitely improve and be a better trader just by focusing on your mistakes. Actually work on your mental mindset and on your psychology. Register for the AudaCity community app, where you can network with like-minded traders to share ideas and collaborate with other ideas, and at the same time increase and boost your confidence. So this is a great attempt, and I wish you the best, and I look forward to reviewing your account on the next level, which is 60,000 US dollars. So congratulations on your achievement.